In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a signature in Outlook. Start by clicking on New Email, then click here on the toolbar where it says Signature. I'm going to click New and I'll name it Sign 1. In the lower area, you create your signature. I'm going to paste the sample one I already have. Then click OK when done. Now when you start a new email, you see the signature there. If you don't want it to appear on every email, click again on Signature. On the bottom, you can set new messages to none and also whatever preference for replies and forwards. You can also create additional signatures. Now when you start a new email, there's no signature. You can click on Signature and you can choose between the ones you created. That's it for this video. I hope it helped and thanks for watching.